Now we'll insert new windows in the building. Open 0, ground floor from the navigator. Activate the window tool in the toolbox and open its settings dialog. Choose Window from the Basic Windows folder. Similar to doors, Windows appearances have endless variations thanks to the wide list of parameters. Use the tabs of the Basic Windows Settings panel to check the available parameters in logical groups. Set the settings as follows. Size 0.6 by 0.6. Sill to story 0, 1.80. Anchor point, center. Reveal to wall core, 0.15. General Settings tab page. Board on, sill on. Tags. Non-load bearing element. Exterior. Window. IFC exterior windows. We insert the first window with automatic snap points in the middle of the entrance room. Click the Special Snap Points Options arrow and select the Half and Between Intersection Points options. This way, ArchiCAD shows the snap points between the point of intersections instead of the entire element. Place 3 windows in the stone wall, one for each room, each of them in the middle of their own wall part. For placing, use the automatic snap points which appear on the inner side of the wall. Then use the arrows to define the opening direction of the windows. Click on the lower right icon to make windows open to the right so that they will open into the rooms. Now we'll add some windows on the gallery as well. Display the one gallery floor plan. Activate the Window tool, open its Settings dialog, and set the following. Size 0.8 by 0.8. Sill to story 1, 1.60. Reveal to wall core, -0.10. Set the anchor point to center. The new window goes right above the pocket door on the ground floor. In case the wall fill covers the pocket door that should be traced, click the arrow besides the trace icon in the standard toolbar and turn on the transparent fills and zones. To place the window in the right position, search for the center point of the door below with the help of the trace. Turn Trace and Reference off using the icon in the standard toolbar. Select the window and click on any hotspots to display the pet palette. Select Multiply. Set 3 as the number of copies and the Distribute -1 method. Click OK. Click on the top left hotspot of the window as the reference, and click the top left corner of the door as the endpoint. Place 2 more windows at the midpoint of the gallery slab on both sides. Reveal to wall core 0.3. Although window types are represented as objects, you can change the type of a previously placed window at any time. Select the two windows placed on the side walls. Open the Settings dialog and select the round window in the Special Windows folder. Change some parameters. Size 1.20 by 1.20. Sill to Story 1, 1.0. Reveal to Wall Core, 0.3. Set the anchor point to center. Click OK. The type and size of the two windows change. Show the wooden beams by once again turning on their layer in the Layer Manager. Go to the 3D window to check the result. As you develop the building model, sometimes certain views are more helpful than others, for example when changing the height or position of a window. First, we resize a window in the 3D view. Select the right window in the curved wall in the 3D view. This is going to be the window of the entrance, so we have to make it bigger. Click on the lower right corner to display the pet palette, and activate the Stretch Vertically command. Drag the cursor downward. Turn the tracker on if needed, and type 1.5. Hit Enter. Skylights are an integrated part of the BIM model. They're capable of recognizing the roof below and using important information from the roof, such as thickness or sloping angle. Open the One Gallery floor plan from the Navigator. Use the Measure tool to check the distance between two of the rafter midpoints. This will be the width of the skylight. Activate the Skylight tool and open its Settings dialog by double-clicking on its icon in the toolbox or the info box. At the bottom left of the dialog, you can see various skylight types available out of the box. Choose Skylight Flat Panel and set the settings as follows. Width 1.97 as measured earlier. Height 3.0. Curb height 0.15. Vertical anchor, Story 1. Set the anchor point to the top right corner in the preview picture. General Settings tab page. Number of horizontal frames, 2. Number of vertical frames, 1. Tags. Non-load-bearing element. Exterior. Window. IFC. Roof windows and skylights. Click OK. Click the intersection point of the gallery slab and the rafter midpoint to place the 3 skylights in the roof. Please note that the skylights will automatically be placed in the roof. Go to the 3D window to check the results.